Meteorologists in Australia say they have detected the beginning of an El Niño event which could trigger extreme weather conditions across the globe. Sea temperatures in the Pacific Ocean are rising, which could set off a chain of events leading to drought in Australia and much colder winters here in the UK. Sky's science correspondent Thomas Moore reports.
The winter of 2010 and the big freeze gripped Britain, the lowest temperatures in 30 years, and snow covered large areas for many weeks. And now scientists are warning we could be in for another harsh winter because of weather patterns thousands of miles away over the Pacific Ocean. Warming seas have triggered an El Niño event, the first in 5 years, and it could disrupt the world's weather for months to come. At this time of year, you'd expect warmer seas off the coast of Australia. But in an El Niño year, what happens is that warmer water appears on the surface off the coast of Central America. At the moment, it's quite a small area. It began in March, April. It's about 3 degrees warmer than normal. That area will grow, changing the pattern of wind and rain as all that energy goes up into the atmosphere. That's likely to mean that Australia will suffer a drought. India's monsoon could be late and weak, and the western coast of the Americas could suffer floods. The effects could be felt in the Atlantic too, reducing the likelihood of hurricanes, and in Britain the coming winter could be much colder than in recent years with significant snow.
It's a truly global system, and once you change the heating and the water distribution in the atmosphere, you change the way the energy moves, and that will change the patterns of rainfall elsewhere. You'll have air going up in one place where it doesn't normally, and it has to come down somewhere. When it goes up, it condenses water, and then you get rainfall and clouds.
The last El Niño brought floods and landslides to Peru, and California was battered by a series of storms. The drought forecast in Australia is the last thing farmers there need. They've already had months of dry weather. The scientists say not every El Niño has such severe effects around the world, but the odds are there's some wild weather to come. Thomas Moore, Sky News.